This is Johnny Banana at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. Johnny currently resides with his best friend Benny, who just walked by, at PetSmart in Nashua on Amherst Street. That's Benny up high, black and white, and Johnny Banana is the tortoiseshell tabby. And they would like to have a home together. Johnny! Johnny!